Good morning all. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the Roman numerals. The Roman numerals used a different system. Their system did not have any numbers. They had different rules for writing the numbers using the 7 letters. Like for 1 they use I, for 5 they use V, for 10 they use X, for 50 they use L, and for 100 they use C, and for 500 they use D, and for 1000 they use M. For writing these numerals with the symbols, we have some rules. So let's learn the rules. Rule number 1. The letter can be repeated only 3 times. I repeat, only 3 times. For example, I, that means 3. X, means 30. Rule number 2. V, L and D are never repeated. Rule number 3. If a smaller numeral follows a larger numeral, the numbers are added. For example, VI, V plus I. Here it's a addition. VI 6, that means V means 5, 1 is 1. So that means 5 plus 1 is 6. Similarly, L plus 3I. L means 50 and I means 3. So 50 plus 3 becomes 53. Rule number 4. If a smaller numeral precedes a larger numeral, the numbers are subtracted. For example, V means V minus I. V is 5 minus I means 1. 5 minus 1 becomes 4. For example, X minus 1, 10 minus 1 becomes 9. So Ix is 9. The same with XL 40. 50 minus 10, that is L minus X. Rule number 5. When a smaller numeral is written in between two large numerals, it is always subtracted from the large numeral just after it. For example, XIX. So this 10 is this X and this is 10 minus 1, that is 9, becomes 19. Similarly, LIV. L is 50, V is 5 and this I is minus 1. So 5 minus 1 becomes 4. 50 plus 4, 54. Rule number 6. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Now let's learn what is consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers are numbers that follow each other in order. They have a difference of 1 between every two numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. They all are consecutive numbers. Now let's learn consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers are odd numbers that follow each other. They have a difference of 2 between every two odd numbers. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17 and so on. Now let's learn consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers are even numbers that follow each other. They have a difference of 2 between every two even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.